God, I don't know who just walked through here. Whoever did, they took a shower in that cologne, the aftershave, whatever it is. Hey, happy Sunday, 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 fun day. Happy Sunday, folk. About to head out to go get some breakfast. And then after that, we're gonna come back to the room and get ourselves together for the last day for the Taste of Charlotte. And Hill had to go back to the room because he left his wallet. Maybe just in time. Even though he get on my nerves, I get on his nerves.
Ups and downs, high and low, good and bad.
Trials and tribulation.
Worse and worthless.
Guess what, y'all? We still together. Oh my God, y'all, it's Ikea. Y'all see it's Ikea? I'm getting a little too excited right now, okay? Because y'all just don't understand. I'm about to go inside of an Ikea for the very first time. Oh my God. Y'all. Ikea.
The mall. Walk around.
I'm about to enter into Ikea. Oh my gosh, you guys. Open sesame. Oh my God. Is this Kohl's? Is this Kohl's? I don't understand. Where we going?
Let's go upstairs. They got I guess the furniture showroom is upstairs. Let's go upstairs. They got a menu.
This is too much for me. What is in? What is that? Is that for children? Do they have a playroom?
Yeah.
I am over the top through with these people. Hello, Miss Lady. How you doing? Because you were staring in my face. Okay. Oh, what is this? 99 cents.
Ice cubes.
Little ice cubes. Little fun looking ice cubes. Did you say fishes?
Yep. I know it's fish, but it sounded fun.
It sounded fun. Go Clemson.
It sound funny.
It sounded fun.
You know, since I have to be politically correct, we're on camera.
I'm not saying you gotta be politically correct. I'm just saying. Don't say fishes around me. Baby walking to school. Tell us
Fishes.
They go 5 fishes. No, baby. It's not fishes. Y'all like Ikea? You know? Like I said, I've never been here before, so this is actually our first time coming in here. Of course, so we just looking around and whatnot. Yep. I'm just saying I'm lost. I'm trying to figure out how to get from out of this here situation.
You there? No. Co-workers on. So the out is over there.
This is just awkward. I guess it would make more sense to follow the arrows, right? But sometimes I want to be rebellious and go my own way, you know? I'm just a rebel like that at times. I'm a rebel. I said follow the arrow. No. I don't want to get lost. I follow directions if I don't want to get lost.
Shade.
Whole lot of it. Whole lot of shade.
That ain't right at all. You know,
whole lot of shade.
Not good.
Listen, if I had known Ikea had a whole eatery in this piece, I wouldn't have gotten that terrible burger that I got.
Oh, this here.
They got a whole eatery in here. Y'all ain't tell me they had an eatery in Ikea? Y'all been holding out on me. Oh, y'all been holding out. I don't like none of y'all. Y'all could have told somebody. They had something up in here. Let's move out of her way. Got beef tenderloin in here.
Braised.
Oh my. Fountain beverages $1. Okay.
Free water.
I'm done.
They make sure they keep you in this store.
I think we're about to leave.
They make sure they keep you in this store. Look at the
Tell me why that little pie looks so good. I don't know what kind of pie. It's a cream cake with marzipan, chocolate cake, some kind of Dame chocolate and butterscotch cake. I'm done. Really? Variant salad and a barbecue sandwich. It's time to go. I'm about to go.
Y'all, she is funny because I know she's been looking wanting to get out of here. But I almost seem like every room you go into is just leading you into another room. Like,
with you, like, how many times I gotta see exit and I don't see no exit? Like, are you trying to hold me hostage?
Right.
I'm trying to get out of
Ikea
here.
do not want you to leave, y'all. Whatsoever. Room by room, you are swallowed. You have to go through this maze. Hey, you cannot come in this store and go exactly to where you want to go and then come back out. You got to go through almost every room. It ain't no straight shot in here.
I don't know about y'all. Y'all might like that, but I don't like that. I need to go to where I want to go to get what I want to get and get
and turn around and get out. But no, to check out, you got to go through this maze. Wow. But this store is huge, y'all. Very huge. It's like 5 or 6 stores in one.
It's a Lowe's, Home Depot,
Esposito's,
Ashley's Furniture, Bed Bath and Beyond.
Dollar store.
I ain't gonna put that category up there now.
The Walmart.
Haverty's.
Okay.
It's all that mixed up in the one. Oh, they got a Cinnabon.
Cinnabon, $1.
We see it though. We get out of here.
We see the exit, y'all. Made it to freedom. Made it out.
Freedom.
Made it up out of here. But if you leave Ikea hungry, that's your fault. Cause they got fine cuisine up in here. They say fine delicacies. Alright, y'all, we about to get back up out this hotel room and head on down to the Taste of Charlotte. We was planning on heading out there a little bit later when the sun really went down, but by it being Sunday, it ends early, so I'm glad that Sheena was like, you might want to check and see what time it ends by it being Sunday, because honestly, I was sitting up here thinking that it would end at 11 o'clock tonight, just like it did the other nights, but that is not the case. So since it ends at 6, we're about to go on ahead out here and check it out and see what's going on, and more than likely show y'all some banana pudding this time, cause you want banana pudding? You don't want banana pudding?
Hey, Poo-Poo!
Uh-oh, gotta go. That's our baby caller.
Hey, Lily! It's hot.
Very.
Even in the shade. You know, normally the shade is pretty cool. You need to have a nice little cool breeze going through and everything like that. No, it's hot.
It's just a dry heat going right now.
It's hot.
Trying to see what time the next one is.
We're over here waiting for this train to come. Hopefully it comes within the next, 5 or 10 minutes, hopefully. We'll have some kind of time to, you know, deal with, to explore the rest of the Taste of Charlotte, get some more food out there.
Try to, this brisket macaroni and cheese.
Yeah, I want to try that so bad. I feel like that's going to be extra good. I don't even like brisket, but I feel like that's going to be really, really good.
But you're a macaroni connoisseur.
Oh, it says train arriving in 7 minutes. What'd you say?
Oh, it says 7 minutes? Oh, okay.
What did you say?
You're a macaroni connoisseur.
I am a macaroni connoisseur. Yeah. If your mac and cheese is not good, I will let you know. I'll do it in a nice way. Just like I told old boy, I didn't like the flavor. Anyway, I don't want a tan on my foot, but I think that's what I'm feeling moving. Because it's just too much. My thigh's stuck to the seat.
No.
I'm not getting up into that tray.
Well, at least you're not sweating.
You have no idea.
That's what I was hoping.
And then you gonna move closer. It's hot.
Well, you know. What's good, y'all? Trying to get up here to some of this shade because it is hot out here. We done got off this train and walking up this here hill. As busy as it was when we came out here on Friday, but there's still a nice little crowd out here. And got to find this brisket and macaroni, and hopefully they're not out of it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have 1 minute till showtime. Flipping, tricking, acrobatics, comedy, and more. You do not want to miss this. Before we start the show, we have 3 simple rules. Rule number 1, if you guys see something in the show that you like, you clap. Rule number 2, if you guys see something in the show that you don't like at all, you still clap. Rule number 3, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna have Canali flipping over that kid right here, over, and you're gonna stand there. What time is it?
Showtime!
What time is it? Showtime! So make a lot of noise, keep us. We are One Life Wonder official Instagram. That's our show. Thank you and God bless. We love you all. We do parties, weddings, and divorces.
All right, y'all. The Taste of Charlotte is over.
Rap.
Walking around this thing called the Epic Center, and I guess you could say it's like a little mall. Got different stores and all that type of stuff. Java Green, Diner, and all that type of stuff. Firehouse Sub, Five Guys, Studio Movie Grill.